Hello viewers at home, you are welcome to another edition of the program. Today we'll be speaking to popular YouTuber Victor Isibo. He will be telling us about NFTs. What are NFTs? What is all the buzz about NFTs about? What are their applications? How can you get started with NFTs? You will learn all that today as I am being joined by Victor Isibo.
Oh boy, thanks for having me. Thank you so much. I'm delighted to be here.
Victor, what is all this buzz about NFTs? And what are NFTs? I'm curious to know.
NFT is short for non-fungible token. Non-fungible token. You see, non-fungible means unique, non-replaceable. Okay? It's like a digital code, that represents some kind of digital item. It could be digital art or music. Okay? So the NFT is secured and stored on a public blockchain. One token is not, interchangeable for another. And a token cannot be further, divided. For instance, if you have a piece of music, a digital artwork, or a video, once you mint it as an NFT, that way you can prove ownership over it. Each NFT is distinct and traceable. Prior to NFTs, digital assets were fairly easy to steal. But with the advent of NFTs, it means that artists can't be cheated out of their royalties anymore. And it's also an excellent way to control supply of your digital content, which is also very important in driving up its price, because it attributes one owner to one piece of content. Even if others can see the NFT, only one person can own it. So it's a way, of controlling digital assets and, defining ownership and securing it. If you are a buyer or a collector of a digital asset, think about NFTs as the digital equivalent of the receipt you get when you buy physical stuffs like clothes or food from any physical store. Then as an artist, turning your work into an NFT is a way of adding a digital signature that can never be forged or removed. So when you're buying a digital asset, as a buyer, you will know that the artist, the original owner of the work, is credited for their work and they are paid their royalties in perpetuity. You are also credited as the rightful owner who bought it, and nobody is being priced out of the market, and you are not losing to any form of intermediaries. So the buyer is happy, and the seller, the owner of the work, gets value and money for their product.
Wow, Victor Isibo, you have really opened my eyes. That means that NFTs are like a security measure, making sure that the artists and the true owners of a particular digital work gets royalties and value for their work, thereby frustrating the efforts of scammers who try to duplicate their work and divert such royalties. This is interesting.
You understand the point now. Apart from the security value, if I am creating a kind of content that is limited edition, say maybe 100 in pieces, minting it as an NFT will give me the opportunity to create digital scarcity for my product, allowing my work to gain in value. Now, for instance, if I have a digital artwork, and somebody just goes on Google to download the artwork as a Google image, they can enjoy it privately, but they won't be able to sell it or cut me out of the royalty chain because the NFT belongs to me. NFTs can only have one owner at a time, and each one is unique.
This is interesting, but please, can you tell us some of the popular NFT use cases where NFTs are being mostly applied nowadays? Can you mention some areas for us?
Use cases for NFTs are plenty, and the creator economy is rapidly embracing it as a way of securing digital provenance. Okay, so there are some of the areas where NFTs are being applied heavily. Number 1, digital art. Number 2, sports collectibles. Number 3, game assets. Number 4, music. Number 5, memes. There is heavy minting and NFT applications in these areas.
So, for instance, if I want to dabble around NFT marketplaces, or I plan to code, compile, or deploy a customized NFT smart contract of my own, what are the items that I need?
Wow, that is rather bold and ambitious of you. But anyways, you'll be needing 2 key items. Number 1 is a MetaMask wallet, which you can get at metamask.io. Number 2, Ether, the currency you need to make transactions. You can obtain Ether from any crypto exchanges. Okay, so those are the 2 major items you need to get started. So to get an idea of the NFT landscape, I want you to check out these 10 marketplaces. Number 1, OpenSea. OpenSea.io. This is the first and the largest peer-to-peer platform for crypto collectibles. Number 2 is the Axie Marketplace. Marketplace.axieinfinity.com, where Axie Infinity game assets can be bought and sold. Number 3, CryptoPunks Marketplace. The website is lavalabs.com/CryptoPunks/for sale. Number 4 is NBA Top Shot. So it's NBATopShot.com. It's a marketplace for officially licensed NBA moments. Number 5 is Rarible. It's a marketplace that allows you to quickly create and list your own NFTs. Rarible.com is the website. Number 6 is SuperRare. SuperRare.com. It's a selective marketplace where artists must first be invited before they can list. Number 7 is Alcor. Alcor.exchange/NFT market. It's a decentralized exchange where NFTs can be bought and sold. Number 8 is Binance NFT Marketplace. Binance.com/en/NFT. It's a general NFT marketplace operating on the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, it also supports NFTs on the Ethereum network. Number 9 is Foundation.app, a platform where creators can mint and auction their digital artworks. Finally, at number 10 is Crypto.com NFT. Crypto.com/NFT/marketplace is an NFT auction site that allows you to list existing NFTs or mint new ones to list. So these are our top 10 NFT marketplaces you can look into when you're looking to dabble into NFTs full time.
Yes, I have learned all I need to know about NFTs. To the live studio audience, please let us give Victor Isibo a round of applause. Thank you, Victor Isibo, for coming on the program. I know that all the viewers at home who are crypto and blockchain enthusiasts have learned something new today. If you are watching us and you have not subscribed to Victor Isibo Reviews channel, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe to Victor Isibo Reviews channel now Watch all the videos, like them and share them amongst your circle. That is how you get top quality knowledge and mentoring here on YouTube. Till I see you in another edition, it is bye for now.